I'm not telling you something that I heard. I'm telling you something that I know.
My woo high in the sky.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Being Ambitious. And if this is your first time here, what's poppin', sis? I hope you catch a vibe that makes you want to subscribe. So look, in today's video, we are doing a little small sit down. I'm going to be talking to you guys. This is actually a video that I've been wanting to do for a minute. I just had to get my thoughts together. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, if you clicked on today's video, you are interested in my top 10 places that I love to get my shop on, spend my coin on, you know, that type of thing. So we're going to get into it. So in this video, we'll be discussing items from your clothes all the way to jewelry, all the way down to our shoes. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. Alright, so if you follow me on any platform, literally any platform, I'm always posting a list of places that I like to shop at. I have a whole list and I'll insert it into the video over here so that you guys can screenshot away and keep it, store it. But you know, just give your girls props. If people ask you where you get the list from, you know, let them know it's composed by your girl. You know. So anyway, the first place on my list is Rebdolls. I love Rebdolls for a lot of reasons. The first reason is that it is size inclusive, meaning it goes from a size 0 all the way to a size 5X. Every piece of item, and they don't charge you extra money just because you're getting it in a size 5X if you need it in a size 5X. You know, it's the exact same price that it would be for a size 0. And that, chef's kiss, that's amazing. That's probably one of the first places that I've ever been that didn't upcharge you because you are a larger size. Another thing that I like about Rebdolls is that you can get anything you want from there. You can get you some athletic wear, you can get some chill outfits, you can get some sexy date night outfits. I think Rebdolls is popping because outside of sizes, it has amazing colors. You can find things in lime green, purple, yellow, things that suit your body, and they're not afraid to make things plus size that are in patterns, that are in stripes and things like that. So if you're really looking for a good place to shop in the summertime, Rebdolls is very much that girl. And also, I can't forget their 2-piece sets. Their 2-piece sets are it, okay? Like, they are simply it. So definitely check out Rebdolls. So up next on my list is Old Navy. Now I know you probably you're like Rebdolls to Old Navy? What? Well, let me explain why. Old Navy is another place that is very size inclusive. One thing that I love is their winter coats, outerwear. Listen, you could get some bomb quality, not those thin, cheap looking little coats, you know, for the big girls, you know, and boys. You can get you some nice winter coats from Old Navy that are, you know, very, you know, nice price. And then also they also do a lot of sales too. So if you're looking for good outerwear, Old Navy has it. Outside of their outerwear, they also have great jeans. There's different selections of jeans. I haven't bought jeans from them in quite some time, but I know that there are different styles of jeans, which is amazing because we as women all have different type of bodies and shapes and sizes. We may weigh the exact same thing, but our bodies are built differently, meaning, you know, you may need a jean that's in Rockstar and I may need a jean in Diva, you know. So that's something amazing about that site. And then they got love for the tall girls, the short girls, the petite girls, the average size girls. So if you're looking for some great jeans, Old Navy. And then outside of Old Navy, American Eagle is another great place that you can get jeans that go from a size like 0 to 24. So definitely check out American Eagle. But that, I'm not including American Eagle on my favorite top list. I'm just telling you, girl, if you need some jeans, the girls say that American Eagle got the jeans. You feel me? They got the jeans. So my next favorite place is GT Online. I love GT Online. They have some amazing chef's kiss jumpsuits, okay? Girl, you're gonna feel like the belle of the ball in these jumpsuits. Even if you don't really even like jumpsuits, get you a jumpsuit from GT Online. A lot of their pieces are mainly for if you're going out, you know, if you're on a date night. It's not really, you can't really get no, work clothes or casual clothes from GT Online. It's specifically for an event. So, you know, like if you had homecoming coming up, every time I went out to homecoming for the past 2 to 3 years, I would shop at GT Online because I wanted a nice statement type, something that I know nobody else would have on. GT Online is that girl for those pieces that nobody else is going to have on. They also if you sign up with them, they also always do really great discount codes and everything like that. So check out GT Online. She's that girl, especially for New Year's Eve, ladies. If you're doing something for New Year's Eve, GT Online, okay? So my next favorite place is Boohoo. I love Boohoo. Like, I got Boohoo on right now, actually. I love Boohoo. Any pieces that you see me on in my Instagram, I usually been wearing a lot of Boohoo lately. Here's why. Boohoo is that girl for everything. You can get you a cute little bag, cute little earrings, cute little outfit, and you ain't even really spend that much money because they always got 50 to 60% off sale. Now, let me give you a real set of tea here, all right? Don't buy your clothes from Boohoo online, girl. Download the Boohoo app. Cause see, the Boohoo app be giving you like more percentage off. So if online it say 50%, the app guaranteed to say 60% and free shipping. Okay, so if you're into Boohoo, definitely check out their app because their app is popping. Okay, I'm sorry for talking too fast, y'all, but I'm just so excited to be like telling y'all all my favorite places to shop at. And their jewelry at Boohoo, top 2 and not 2. I always get cute little necklaces that have like a B on it or my initial, cute little hoops, bracelets, ankle bracelets, nose rings. I mean, pretty cute stuff. And they also have cute shoes too. Oh my god, how can I forget? I got a lot of my little cute mules from Boohoo. And also Boohoo shoes, they got a section just for our wide feet girls. So you ain't got to squeeze that fat feet and them narrow shoes. Get you a wide sis from Boohoo. And the shoes not that expensive, mama. They're not going to last you. They're not going to do you like other shoes could have done you in the past. You know what I'm saying? Check out Boohoo for that. And outside of their shoes and stuff, their clothes is just amazing. I've been trying to do things on my Instagram, if you noticed lately, and I always go to Boohoo to match up whatever color theme I'm doing because I know I can get quality pieces for the low. I can put in, if I want to do the color brown that I've been doing lately, Boohoo is going to show me everything that's in brown that's in my size, and I can just, you know, shop from that section alone versus me just shopping from, you know, all over the whole site. I can narrow it down so I want something in brown, something in 3X. And then I know I can get it, you know. And you can even narrow it down from there. Brown 3X a skirt. Brown 3X a top. Brown 3X a dress. So Boohoo plus very much that girl. So up next, Rainbow. Okay, now I know you probably wasn't expecting me to say Rainbow. Now I'm not gonna stun with y'all. I haven't shopped at Rainbow in a while, but if I need something quick like a cami or like workout gear or something like that, I go to Rainbow. Here's why. Rainbow is low-key sisters or distant cousins to Fashion Nova. It's quick fashion, you know what I'm saying? So it's also in the terms of kind of like it's fashion type stuff, but online. And I know in some places there are Rainbows that you can still go to an actual store. And if you go to an actual Rainbow store, you have a better quality than what you would do online. That's my experience. When I go to Rainbow in stores, I'm able to get cuter little pieces or whatever versus what I would do online, because I can actually try on the pieces and see if they're, you know, really thin material or if they're, you know, nice. And also with Rainbow, a downside to Rainbow is make sure the shirts ain't got no words or nothing on it. But you know, if it's a cami, you can have bad bitch on the back of your cami t-shirt and you got your shirt on top of it. Nobody would know. They just see the white in the front, you know, stuff like that. But other than that, you know, Rainbow is definitely very much that girl for cute little things. So definitely check out Rainbow if you need some quick something that's just, it's not a, you're not looking for necessarily like a bad outfit. Sometimes you can come across it, but if you're looking just for things to fit into your, you know, wardrobe, like little cute little camis, cute little PJs, cute little slippers and stuff like that for the low, check out Rainbow. She's that girl. Okay, so up next we have Fashion to Figure. Okay, Fashion to Figure is for all my bad bitches only, my grown women. What's popping? You're going on dates, you're going to, you know, work attire or, you know, nice dinners and stuff. Fashion to Figure is that girl. Now, Fashion to Figure is not inexpensive, all right? You gonna spend a little coin, but these are quality plus size pieces of clothing that you will be able to wear for a very long time. And then also, outside of it being very grown woman, it is sexy. If you want to be sexy, you want to find some sexy pieces, go to Fashion to Figure. So next, transferring from sexy to work, Kato's, all right? You guys know I've done a Kato's try-on haul on my channel. Like, Kato's is the place that I go if I need some cute work attire, if I need some cheap work attire. Their clearance section is very much that girl. Now, that stuff on the wall can be kind of up there in prices, but if you stick to those little silver things in the middle right there at Kato's, you can match you with some really cute outfits for work or for church or for, you know, more less sexy event. Kato's can do that for you. I actually, you know, if I could try to find this picture from my freshman year, no, my senior year in college, I'm gonna show y'all an outfit that I got from Kato's. I'm gonna try to put it right here. But I got this outfit from Kato's. I don't know where it's at to this day, but it was really cute for that night, girl. I got so many compliments. But granted, this was like 2014, you know what I'm saying? So I was able to like pull that off. But girl, you can get you some cute stuff at Kato's. And outside of Kato's clothes, their underwear and their jewelry, chef's kiss, okay? You can get some nice Spanx, some nice sexy bras and matching panty sets, and some quality jewelry, pearls, silver jewelry, gold jewelry, and girl, ooh, their shoes. You can get some good work shoes there, some good shoes for church there, like some little casual shoes that you may need. And then also, don't sleep on their clearance section, especially when it comes to the wintertime. I've gotten some really cute booties from Kato's in the wintertime. And then what I love about Kato's is that they specialize in plus size clothing, so you're also gonna have those plus size wide fit shoes and boots, ladies. So check out Kato's for all your work wear, all your church wear, all your wide foot needs. Kato's is very much that girl. So the last person I'm going to tell you guys about is Pretty Little Thing. So Pretty Little Thing has some really cute pieces for, you know, plus size girls, and they go up to a size 24. Now, the reason I got it dead last on my list, even though this list isn't in any particular order, I did particularly put Pretty Little Thing at the very bottom for plus size, because like if I type in a size 24 for me and they say that they go to a size 24, if I put in a size 24, I'm only gonna find like 6 dresses, and that is kind of shaky for me. I think that they should say, you know, standard size to like junior plus size. I wouldn't consider it like a plus size place, but if you're junior plus size up to like a size 20, 18, 20, you can really get some bomb popping pieces from Pretty Little Thing. As you guys know, a lot of your favorite influencers shop there. So if you're looking for some bomb pieces and you're around that size, up to that size, let me say, you can get some clothes there from Pretty Little Thing. And Pretty Little Thing, now I do get a lot of my cute little jewelry from Pretty Little Thing as well. Like, they got some popping pieces, or if I need like cute little sleepwear, whatever, I can get that from Pretty Little Thing as well. So I can't tell you too much about their clothes, because again, it's kind of shaky when it comes to like plus size, really. So I can't tell you about it, but check out the site. If you're around, if you're smaller than me, then check out that site and you could get into a lot of their cute pieces. So let's move on to the shoes, because this is important, right? I have been a victim of having a bomb outfit. My shoes was like, you know what I'm saying? I'd be like, boom, 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 boom. And she's like, I used to try to go lay low on the shoes, because I'm not like a girl. I'm not a big girl who could walk in like extremely high heels. So I like to have really cute shoes, or like shoes that don't make too much of a statement. You know what I'm saying? I try to stay away from like bedazzled shoes and stuff. Like, I like clear mules, you know, things that just like, you know, pizzazz for the outfit. It's not nothing that the shoes don't do the talking for my outfits, basically. However, the place that I'm about to tell you right now, bomb places to get some really cute shoes from. First up, Torrid. Torrid is that girl. Now, Torrid clothes really don't do it for me. I'm not gonna lie to you. Torrid clothes really don't do it for me when it comes to fashion, but they shoes do. And it's simply because they have wide shoes, okay? And honestly, you gotta go down a size in Torrid shoes, you know what I'm saying? So if you're like a 10, go to a 9 or a 9.5 wide, just to make sure that it fits you properly, because they make sure that you have enough room. And Torrid have heels from tiny heels to big heels, you know what I'm saying? So whatever you want, clear shoes, little slip-ins, all that, they got it at Torrid. Now, Torrid is also a pretty penny, so please sign up for their subscription so that you can get some money off for your shoes. So the next place that I really like to shop at is Zushu. So Zushu is another place. Again, they have wide fit shoes. Now, with these places, you kind of got to be careful, because sometimes they don't have them in your size, because all the larger sizes go quick. So then you got all the smaller sizes. So if I was telling you to look for some shoes, I would tell you to go to Torrid first. If you can't find Torrid, you can't find what you're looking for there, go to Zushu. If you can't find what you're looking for at Zushu, I would tell you to go to J. Adams. So go to J. Adams. Like, if you can't find that Torrid, Zushu, or J. Adams, I don't really know. I can't really tell you outside of those three, but when it comes to needing some cute shoes that are in style, that, you know, are not like little pitter patters or whatever, definitely go to either one of those places. They all serve shoes that are in style and that are, you know, for our fat feet girls. You know, our feet kind of spread when we sit them down, you know, and that's all right, mama. You got your toes done, you keeping your pedicure done. You know, it's a lot of men out there that rock with the fat feet girls. I know. So go to those three places if you're looking for some shoes. All right, ladies, so I really hope I wasn't talking too fast in this video. I'm so excited to say out some of my favorite places to shop at, especially right now in the winter time. You know what I'm saying? We got a lot of different holidays coming up. We got Christmas, we got, you know, New Year's. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope you got something from it. You've been taking some notes and all of that. And as always, if you got to this portion of the video, please subscribe to your girl. Consider subscribing to me, dog. You know what I'm saying? We've been rocking for like a little bit in this whole video. Subscribe to the girl. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.